Hi guys, welcome back to my little corner of the internet. Today we're going to continue with part 2 of making this Pikachu. So let's continue. We're going to do the arms. So for round 1, we're going to do a magic circle with 4 stitches. For round 2, we're going to do a single crochet and then an increase. We're going to do this pattern 2 times and end up with 6 stitches in the end. From round 3 to round 7, we're going to do single crochet in all 6 stitches. We're going to fast forward to round 7 and then you'll see the end results. Make sure you make 2 of these. And now we're going to make the feet. For round 1, we're going to do magic circle with 4 stitches. For round 2, we're going to do a single crochet and then an increase. We're going to do this pattern 2 times and end up with 6 stitches in the end. From round 3 to round 4, we're going to do single crochet in all 6 stitches. For round 5, we're just gonna do 3 single crochets to close up the opening. Make sure you go back and make 2 of these. Next, we're going to make the tail. We're going to start with row 1. We're going to do chain 8 and then we're going to turn and do single crochet in all 7 stitches. Make sure at the end of each row you chain 1 and then turn. For row 2 and 3, we're going to do single crochet in all 7 stitches. Also go ahead and crochet the end piece and hide that into your tail piece. I hope that makes sense. I think you can see what I'm doing here. For row 4, we're just going to do 3 single crochets. For row 5, we're going to do 3 single crochets and then chain 4. From rows 6 to 7, we're going to do single crochet in all 6 stitches. Before you finish the last stitch, we're going to just change to our brown yarn. For row 8, we're going to do 3 single crochets. From row 9 to 10, we're going to do single crochet in all 3 stitches. Once you finish, make sure you cut a long tail for sewing. And now it's time for assembly. We're going to start by sewing on the face, and we're going to do that by starting with the cheeks. Normally when I do my sewing, I sew it on the outer edge. But for this piece, I'm actually going to go from the inner edge. I hope that all makes sense. Next, we're going to sew on the nose. Take your black yarn and we're going to just go in from the side here, and then you're going to give about 3 stitches between the nose and the eyes. Try to put the nose in the middle as much as possible. Next, we're going to sew on the ears. Take your time to position it. It took me a while to find the right spot, but once you do, sew it on. Now I'm going to sew on the second ear off camera. Next, we're going to do the body, but before we sew on the body, we're going to stuff it. And here we are, back again, all stuffed with fluff. Before I sew on the head, I'm going to just secure this tail from the head. I don't want a long piece, but I want a long enough tail so it doesn't unravel. And also secure and tie it together. Now we're going to start sewing the head to the body. Next, we're going to sew on the arms. Next, we're going to be sewing down the arms of Pikachu because we do not want Pikachu to look like a little zombie. I'll be sewing on the second arm off camera. Next, we're going to sew on the little feet. Take your time to position it to the way you want it. I like to use the arms as a guide. And as always, I'm gonna sew the second feet off camera. Our Pikachu is almost done. Last thing to do is the tail and the little details on the back. Now using that long tail, we're gonna use that to do the details on the back. And there you have it, your very own Chibi Pikachu. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and share and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Bye now!